Replacement original earpads velour for DT990, DT990 Pro, DT880 Premium. Sold as set of 2 each. Original beyerdynamic replacement earpads. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Just like the ones that I replaced, but better. I have a set of 900 DT 600 ohm headsets that I've had for 2 years and love them. But, the pads started wearing down a bit, even though the outside material still looks brand new. The foam was half the thickness from when I originally got them. So I tried other pads. LTYIVABHTTW. Yes, I spelled that correctly, LTYIVABHTTW. Go ahead and try to pronounce that name. Anyway, they were a bit cheaper, about half the price, $17.99, but did not transfer sound the same way at all. They were terrible. I was shocked, as I thought they were just foam earpads. But I guess it's how they're manufactured, that makes a difference. Well, when I purchased these OEM pads, they sounded perfect. So spend the extra money. I paid $34 at the time of this review. Great OEM product, and be back in 2 to 3 years to get another set.